Hey guys, it's me, Baysick. We kind of made a mistake. We've kind of already fucked up our recording. Corruption already.
Editing Baysick here. So we had an issue with our main camera. The recording got corrupted. Luckily we caught it halfway through recording everything. So the first half is going to be a bit sloppy, but I'll let past Baysick take care of it from now. We are cooking some pasta Bolognese. We got some good old penne pasta. We got ourselves a mince, 4-star. We got chopped mushrooms because we're lazy. We got us an onion, some tomato and basil pasta sauce, and we have our seasoning, which is vegeta and pepper. Let's get the water boiling for now. What we're gonna do, since we're at a tiny home, like look at this view. Look at this view. You know, we're at a nice place. We have no internet actually. So since we're using rainwater, we went the healthy way of the, I don't know how good's the water. So we're gonna boil some water here. Now this will take some time, so we'll get this going away first. I usually cook a full kilo of pasta at home. Lid on. That is beautiful. Now we get the onion going. Trick is, so you cut that side, you peel off your shit. So the trick is with onion is you don't want to get rid of this top part here. This is a life hack if you want to cut onions the easy way. Learned this in school, so cut like that. Now you can see, just cut like this. Don't cut the full way. You want it all intact. What you do is go like this. And then like this. And that's like the easy way, because this is a professional channel, get rid of the shit parts. Okay, so as you can see now, we put some onion in there and shit is popping. Now we just chuck these in. We're gonna get this nice and toasty. So I don't know if this is a good onion or not, because I haven't tried yet, which is very surprising. Now the thing is, I'm doing this all off the top of my head. There is no recipe. I'm just doing this based on what I know already. Our water's starting to boil. So what we're gonna do here now is we're going to add in our pasta. I forgot to add salt to the water. We'll do that very soon. Very professional here. Now what we do is we add in the meat. Now beef, it's right now beef raw. We want mainly all of it cooked, so then when you add the sauce, all you gotta do is just let the simmering do the trick with the sauce. That's all you have to do. It's up to you how much sauce you add. But this is half a kilo of beef. Now one thing I will do now is I'll add my special ingredient here. Set a timer for now. 8 to 10 minutes, I threw the package out. It should be 8 to 10 minutes for that, roughly, for the pasta to be good. Don't forget to also stir your pasta occasionally. Okay, so now we add our secret ingredient, which is our seasoning and pepper. Just add like that first. Get a nice coat. And just mix it in. There we go. We might add some more salt at the end. Now, while we can start cleaning up a bit. Just to make our lives a bit easier when it comes to that point. I'd say that's been in there for 6 minutes. We'll give it another 5 minutes or so, and we'll give it a taste test. It's still hard. Now for pasta, you want it nice and soft. It has to be soft, so when it goes in your mouth, you're not going like a fucking cow. As you can see, beef is practically there. We'll just give it a little bit more. This is where we add our special sauce. Give this a good old shake. That's some good sauce, let me tell you. It's gotta shake it well. Okay, so looking at the meat, it's ready to go in now. Just want to slosh it in. I think for a kilo of meat, 700 is enough. Just slosh this around and add the mushrooms. No, I don't know if I want to use the whole thing. Yeah, it's good enough. I think they might have added too much mushroom, but that's all right. I like mushrooms. It depends how much mushroom you like. You don't have to add mushroom. You can add a whole range of other things if you want. Usually I like to add myself chopped tomato. Give that extra goodness. Put this on. I'll let this simmer. A disclaimer here, if you care about food poisoning, I don't, because I'm on holiday, wash your mushrooms. Just wash all your fruits and vegetables before using it. I have hired an unpaid worker today to help me Now it is time to taste. What's the time now? We've been here for 13 minutes with the pasta in the water. Okay, I got one. I had one. There you go. Now, you can feel by how easy it is the fork to push into the pasta. As you can see, it was a bit of a struggle. Now, it is breaking apart. But it's still got that chewy. It's still chewy. We'll give it another. We'll give that some more time to cook. So I'm setting the timer for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is a long time. As you would know, if you watch my streams, there is a no swearing you can redeem. For 5 minutes, there is no swearing on my part. And if you catch me swearing, I have to restart the timer plus add another minute on top. Just plug it in my Twitch channel because like all YouTubers do, you gotta plug yourself. Time for a taste test. We've got our nice little trusty teaspoon here. Ouchie. That's good enough. So we got enough sauce here to taste. Now, because we're using a nice tomatoey sauce here, if it is a little bit sour, one thing you do gotta grab is some cocaine in a stick, also known as sugar. Now we're gonna do a nice. Still need some more. Now, you add as much sugar as you like because as a chef, you're meant to taste your food because chef knows what's best. Now, a rule of thumb I always go by, as my brother always says, bro, I don't know how to cook. What do I do? Is this look cooked enough? Now, the rule of thumb is if it doesn't look like something you would eat, just keep cooking. And once it's black, you never go back. It's coming to, our time is about to end, as you can see. We've got 9 seconds. Now, let's lower this a bit. Taste test. It's like fishing right now. We caught a fish. It's almost there. Now, a good chef knows what he's doing. So of course, a good chef always drinks on the job. I'm gonna ration this out. Ration is complete. Now, because I am a man of culture, I've decided to go for a mixer. A nice Coke vanilla. Vanilla cock. We like vanilla cock around here. So you don't get any bubbles. You pour it on the side like this so. And bang, just like that, you have a nice drink. Cheers. This has cured my depression. Chef Baysick here. This is actually very good. Now what we do, just add our last bit of salt on here. Because we love salt. As a filthy Counter-Strike player, I do say salt is our favorite meal of the day. Pasta sauce. It's too drippy. Drippy like my dick after a piss. I have AIDS. Snake. Can you just eyes are up here, please? The people don't want the OnlyFans content on the main channel. Link in the description. So I'm gonna do this my way. Now, if you don't have a colander / strainer thing, the best way to do things is you have this open a tiny bit. Yeah. So you have that open bit, so the pasta can't come out, except the one that I fell apart. Oh, that's hot. That's hot on my hands. It's really hot. My hands are sensitive to heat. I shouldn't be a chef. Except I won 3 Michelin stars because I'm so good at cooking. Pasta is done. We'll leave that in there. Keep it warm. I think I need another drink. My depression is kicking in again. Depression cured. It's been a long day. The sauce is gonna take a while, so while you're waiting for the sauce, you just play your game. And just for the record, I am cooking the food, not my assistant telling me what to do. I am a 3-star Michelin chef. Sometimes you gotta give the easy job to the plebs that don't get paid enough. Back to the cooking. Sauce is coming along. It's getting there. A good chef knows how to plate up. So we're gonna start with the pasta first. Now normally I would mix it in, but because we are a good chef, plate it up. Now, because I usually work in a restaurant, this is all would give for $20. This is what you can get at my restaurant. But because, you know, some people are hungry and they're getting paid in pasta, which they might not like, that would do. Now for the sauce. And there you have it, Baysicks Bolognese. Very simple.
You're having that one.
Make sure you lick around the sides. The customer won't know that you're licking around the side. Beautifully presentable, right here.
We have our meal here to cleanse the palate and my depression. Still good. Alright, let's go. Actually, pretty good. I do a good job here. I'm proud of myself. You should be too if you make this at home. You can use the hashtag Baysicks Bolognese and upload it to Instagram. I will personally like in the next cooking video, if this does well, if I decide to do another one, I'll put those photos at the beginning. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. It's been a pleasure showing you the amazing cooking abilities that I have and knowledge, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Keep it simple and peace.